What's up guys, it's Tobias here with a new adventure. Today we're out here in the cold, freezing, rainy Sweden. We got some absolutely miserable conditions out here that we're gonna spend the night in, cook some food and try to enjoy ourselves out here. Yep, this lake was definitely frozen. The thing is, I kind of hoped to be fishing today because back at home in the city where I live, it has been quite warm the last like 2 weeks, just raining. So I was at another lake like a couple of days ago and it has almost melted, so you could almost fish. And since they had passed a few days since then, I thought that maybe I could fish today, so I actually brought my fishing rod in the car. But apparently this place is a little bit higher in altitude, so it was a bit colder here, so it's definitely no way we can fish here. As soon as I was driving and started to come close to here, I just realized that, oh shit, it's actually snowing in here. There's no way the lake is not frozen. I miss fishing so much. I miss it so much. I need summer. I need spring. I can't even ice fish because this is definitely not safe to step on right now. I didn't realize this was so high in altitude. I kind of expected to have a really rainy day today in camping, but we got snow instead. And I actually don't know what I prefer. All right, big mistake. I was gonna go up here to the shore to just see the view of this island. And I stepped maybe a little bit too far, so my whole leg went down. I went down to like up here. It went into my boot and now my foot is completely soaked. Oh no. Oh. That's not good. It's just so bumpy everywhere, but I think I found a decent spot here where I can just lay here. You only need like a place to lay, and I got that here, and it's, yeah, I think this is gonna be fine. This heavy backpack, I don't know how I always manage to get such heavy backpacks. I don't have expensive gear, guys. You have to understand me. I'm poor. I have not the best gear. That means my gear is heavy. And my stuff also takes up a lot of space in the backpack. How do people afford like $500, $600 tent? I don't get it. And I also don't really get, like, what can the difference be? I guess the big difference is that they're light and don't take a lot of space. I think that's what I would like, but I don't have that. But I'm fine with that. As long as it works, right? This tent has never failed me before. The only thing failing is me. Stop snowing, please, just for a little bit. There we go. Get the sleeping bag in so it doesn't get wet. It's good. Okay. I have one flat area here where I can lay. It's good. It works. Alright, since the trip started off a little bit bad, I'm a little bit sad right now. So I'm gonna have this I was gonna save for a little bit later, but let's take it now. Yesterday was actually my birthday. I turned 24 yesterday. Feels so old. But since yesterday was my birthday, I have some cake. I have some chocolate cake here. Some chocolate cake that my girl baked for me yesterday. So I had to bring a piece out here as well. So nice. Tastes so much better than yesterday as well. So happy birthday to me. It's always so nice when you just get in the tent. When you just get out of the rain and snow, then it's nice. Now I feel so cozy. I think we're gonna have to cook and do everything in here today. There's so much rain. I don't think there's no point of me trying to make a fire today. I'm gonna just use my gas. Right, I've been relaxing a little bit in my tent now for a while. And it just keeps on snowing. Put my rain clothes on now to just go hike and explore a little bit. But look at this weather, man. It's like it's snowing, but it's not too cold, so once it lands on my tent it's just melting. So it's really wet out today. It's so wet, everything. I thought that I brought everything into the tent. Apparently not. Nice. These are unusable now for the rest of the trip. Good job. Pretty cool. Just like in the middle of the forest here. Is this hold? Works. Wonder who made this. I wonder how old it is. Maybe I should make a video someday camping here. Could be nice. Leave a like if you want to see me use this as my campsite. Practice area. It's a danger for life. So we're not allowed to pass through here. I wanted to hike a little bit further, but I also don't want to get shot. Back in my tent now. That looks like this. If it just snowed more, or if it got colder, or maybe the tent got warmer because I was inside, I don't know. Let's try to cook in here without setting fire to the tent. Knowing myself, I know it's a big possibility that that happens. Nice chicken. I seasoned this at home before I went out. Yep, starting to look good. rice that I just pre-cooked at home. Chicken and rice it is. We're trying to make gains. Just a little bit of peas and corn and pepper. Not too much, just a little bit. Just what could fit in this little thing. I love chicken. Something we can add to make it a little bit better. Sriracha, chili mayo, sriracha mayo. This makes everything nice. Like that. Not too much of it. Don't want it to take over. I was thinking before I went out if I should bring just one chicken breast or two. I'm so glad I brought two. I need something to drink to the food. It's water, guys. Don't worry. I'm just using the bottle. It was a good size bottle for this, so I brought it. But it's just water. No alcohol here. That was good. Really good. Alright, so we have a long time to wait now until morning and also until we can sleep. So right now I'm just playing some Duolingo, trying to learn Russian. I've been doing Duolingo for like 4 months now, every day, trying to learn Russian. Also watching some Russian series and trying to start to read some Russian like children book. If you guys are interested in learning another language, then I definitely suggest that you do. Because it's been really nice. I really enjoyed it so far. That almost sounded like I was gonna make a Duolingo ad. But no, we're not getting any sponsors on this channel. If you want to learn something, learn a new language. It's so nice. And I feel like it will feel so nice if I can, like, I don't even have to speak good, I don't have to write good, I don't have to understand exactly everything, but if I can just speak simple Russian and understand and speak simple Russian, I think that's so cool. And then of course just get better and better. So yeah, I think knowing a lot of languages is a big flex. Seriously. I finished my cake here as well after I made my food. My stomach is absolutely full. Guess we'll see what we eat more today. Right now I definitely do not feel like eating. I have a soup with me that I can heat up. But I don't feel like it, honestly. I think I might skip it. I also have like a bar with me and a little bit of candy. So I might just eat that instead. Not really anything to do right now. Like, it's kind of boring when the nights like this, or when the days in Sweden right now in the winter are so short. It has turned to become brighter again. Like when it was the worst, like when I did a trip like 4 weeks ago, I think it was the worst. Then we had, I think it was more than 15 hours of darkness. I was like, the sun went down at like, it went down at like 3 o'clock almost. And then it wasn't until like 9 o'clock where it went up again. So right now it's a little bit better. It will rise tomorrow at, I don't know, 7:30 maybe. We'll see, I'm not sure. So it's better. It's still a long night, but I've had worse, longer nights. But it's good to know that every trip I'm doing from now on, it will get a little bit more brighter every time. That feels good. We're snacking on some Kit Kats right now. I'm gonna drink the last of the vodka. And then I have unfortunately got to go out and pee. But then we're gonna try to sleep. I've been watching so much YouTube right now. I'm so happy that I still got connection. So that I have been able to watch YouTube tonight. But I'll take a leak. Oh. Alright guys, I think this is good night for me now. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning guys. Oh, my back hurts so much. Right. Finally, after a long night, the sun is rising. Oh. It's time to head home. Alright guys, I'm packed, ready to leave. Yeah, gonna go home, have coffee, have breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like, leave a comment. Hopefully we can get some better weather soon, because this snowing and cold and wet stuff is not doing it for me right now. I miss summer so much. But yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.